found a crane. Or a heron? I don't know what it is. Can't go closer because it's closed. And before I forget, it opens on the 13th of February latest. Okay. I'm gonna move a little bit, try and get a better picture. Okay. I hope I don't scare it because I'm bright orange right now. Look at me. Kinda want to scare it so I can see its wings. Oh, it saw me. It moved its head. I don't think it'll go away until I get really close. I wish I had my proper camera. It can't be that scared of me. I've got to watch where I'm walking because it's really marshy here. I looked up because birds flew over. I heard sounds in the woods. Okay. I'm going to try and get a bit closer. I have a feeling it won't fly away because then it will disturb all the fish it's been stalking for however long. But I want to see its wings. Oh. Dude. Why you fly on the other side? What did I do? Oh. I'm probably like 10 meters away. Shouldn't be scared of me. Have my bike as well. It's kind of hard. I can't remember the difference between a crane and a heron. Hello. If I cycle all the way back around, which I'm going to, I don't know if it'll still be there. I might be able to get a better picture. Yeah, it would actually. I can go down the little... I could go down that bit there, I think. Alright, I guess it's not gonna do anything, so I'll shut off and ride back around. Oh. I heard noises. They perched up. But now it's just police sirens. My hands are getting cold. It's like 6 degrees out or something. I want to see it go in the water. But I don't know how long they hunt for before they do something. Alright, I'm cycling back around. For real this time. I bet it's going to fly away when I go. And I'll miss it.